how to enroll in a course with Ulum Al Azhar Academy and get your free evaluation session. As soon as you register with us, we activate your account, and at that moment, you're ready to use your account immediately. Once your account is active, log in to your student portal using your details and step into a world of learning designed just for you. From the side menu, click on Courses and choose the category that excites you the most. Each category has different levels, so take a moment to explore the course details, requirements, and even the course video to make sure you pick the perfect level for yourself. If you're not sure which level suits you best, don't worry. You can choose any level, and we will help you get started based on our expert recommendation. When you're ready, click Enroll and select your trial session date, along with your study schedule, including the number of classes per week and the timing that works best for you. We always provide multiple options to make learning flexible and convenient. Once you complete these steps, our support team receives your request and will contact you within 24 hours to arrange your free trial session and guide you through your learning journey. And that's it. You're now ready to start your journey of knowledge. Welcome to Ulum Al Azhar Academy, where your path to learning begins.